Do you know why does your sourdough always fails? You think maybe it's flour, you think maybe it's oven. No, those both are not the reason. The real reason is fermentation. You feel that there would be a specific formula to raise your starter? No, there is no specific formula. Hi, I'm Chef Sushil Sethi and I'm going to teach you how to prepare your sourdough starter and then how to make bread out of your sourdough starter. Not only this, you would also be learning how to make Polish starter, how to make a biga starter, and how to make your sourdough starter using old dough method. You are going to learn how to make your sourdough starter in every weather and every environment. Whether you are in Shimla or you are in Kerala, you would learn how to prepare your sourdough starter. After learning how to make your sourdough starter, you would also be learning to make different type of sourdough breads with different type of hydration. So in this particular course, I'm going to teach you the real science behind making the sourdough starter and then the sourdough bread. Click on the learn more button below and we are going to send you the details.